Unit 3. Lesson 1. Grammar. Measure word. In Mandarin, to indicate quantity, a measure word, or classifier, is inserted between a number and a noun. In addition, different types of nouns require different measure words. Take
蛋饼
Chinese omelet as an example. If you want to say one Chinese omelet, you cannot simply say
一蛋饼
You need to include the measure word
份
which means serving, making it
一份蛋饼
one serving of Chinese omelet. Another example is
炒饭
fried rice. If you want to say 3 fried rice, you cannot simply say
三炒饭
You need to include the measure word
份
which means serving, making it
三份炒饭
3 servings of fried rice. Next example is
汤面
noodle soup. If you want to say 4 noodle soup, you cannot simply say
四汤面
You need to include the measure word
碗
which means bowl, making it
四碗汤面
4 bowls of noodle soup. However, when it comes to number 2 in Mandarin, we need to pay attention that there are 2 ways to say it.
二
And
两二
is used for referring to the digit itself, such as telling room number and phone number, while
两
is used before a measure word to indicate a specific quantity. Therefore, when referring to 2 of something, we use
两
instead of
二
take
炒面
fried noodle as an example. If you want to say 2 servings of fried noodle, you cannot say
二份炒面
you should use
两
making it
两份炒面
because
两
is used before a measure word to indicate a specific quantity. Take
汤面
noodle soup as another example. If you want to say 2 bowls of noodle soup, you cannot say
二碗汤面
you should use
两
making it
两碗汤面
because
两
is used before a measure word to indicate a specific quantity. Next, here are 3 exercises for you. Please describe the food using appropriate quantities and measure words in Mandarin. Practice 1. 1 serving of fried noodle. The answer is
一份炒面
Practice 2. 2 servings of fried rice. The answer is
两份炒饭
Practice 3. 3 bowls of noodle soup. The answer is
三碗汤面
This is the end of the video. Next, it's your turn. Make a sentence using measure word, and write your sentence in the comment.